Welcome back, everyone. Do you like fast food? Oh, what am I asking? Of course you do. We all love fast foods, don't we? But our experience with these fast food restaurants is not that consistent every time. Some days, which is like the 20% of the time, the food is greasy, it's beautifully fried, the seasoning is very good, and when you take a bite, you can hear the beautiful crunches. It's as if like you literally have the heavens in your mouth. Very nice. But most of the time, the food is mediocre, it's cold, and sometimes even raw. And also sometimes it feels like you have put a 200-year-old rubber in your mouth. It's disgusting. But the worst thing of all that can happen to you is you don't receive an item or maybe several items that you have already paid for just because a stupid child was not paying enough attention while taking your order. I'm sure you can relate to it. But say goodbye to all these bad experiences because now we have FLIPPY. Now we're gonna have only good experiences. Yet another win for Team AI. AI 100 and employees like minus infinity. I mean, there is no contest. The employees have accepted defeat. Yeah, we're fucked. Alright, so until now I've just seen some of the images and stuff, but I don't really know much of the details. But worry not, we're going to look at it together. So let's go. So this is the official website, Misto Robotics. They gave birth to FLIPPY. Very nice. FLIPPY, there he is. Now I wonder if the arm is FLIPPY or the whole thing is FLIPPY. Let's find out. FLIPPY is a groundbreaking smart commercial kitchen robot that fries items from French fries to chicken nuggets. I mean, that's two of the best food in the world. French fries and chicken nuggets. What else do you need? It's all the proteins and vitamins that you need. I mean, of course, FLIPPY will be successful and works alongside humans to enhance quality and consistency while creating substantial, miserable cost savings for restaurants. And that's the most important thing. Fuck the employees who does extremely poor job and hire FLIPPY. They should have added one line here, cost savings for restaurants and freaking with the life of the employees. Now that would be a perfect punchline. But the most important question of all, can you fit FLIPPY in your kitchen? Let's watch. Hopefully I don't get copyright striked.
FLIPPY fits over existing fryers, exhaust hoods, and holding areas. No changes to restaurant footprint or workflows are needed. The universal FLIPPY frame supports different numbers of fryers. It includes the robotic
That's sleek.
arm,
Pretty sleek. Amazing.
plus the rail that allows the arm to move around the frying station. The auto bin and specialty basket assembly installs on either side of the frame depending on the restaurant work.
Okay. So this is the thing that you need to find some space for, but I think it's not a big deal.
Bins and specialty baskets support foods not held in the dispenser. Lastly,
nice.
the fryer's safety barrier is attached. The barrier keeps employees safe from hot and slippery oil. Once finished, FLIPPY places food into the hot holding area for seasoning and packaging. FLIPPY increases throughput and data intelligence while reducing overcooking, cross-contamination, waste, employee injuries, and labor cost.
See, that's where they're freaking around. Like they're advertising it as, we're worried about the protection of the employees. Bro, there will be no employees because of FLIPPY. The protection is for the restaurant owner, no one else. Its capabilities are not limited to a single type of cuisine or dish. FLIPPY can adapt to various cooking techniques and recipes, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen environment. God damn it. No more women in the kitchen. I'm just kidding. And by the way, the saddest part is we won't get kitchen nightmares anymore because Gordon Ramsay will have no one to shout at. The food will be perfect, and I think it's going to be even better than him. So the name of the show will be changed to Kitchen Dreamland or something. So apparently FLIPPY's first model was released way back in 2018, like it was in alpha, whatever stage, and some people were pissed at it, cracked jokes about it, and was not happy about it. Is this what it's come to? We're just gonna plug robots into every possible role we can? Question mark. Flippy, the burger flipping robot, seems like a gigantic waste of time, on par with a useless kid's science fair entry. But little did he know that right now, Flippy is back. After a 50 GB update, Flippy is back with a bang and has already won the battle. So there's an article. I wonder if it still exists. And they don't. Flippy destroyed them. That burger flipping robot Flippy is stepping up to make White Castle fries. And by the way, if you don't know what White Castle is, it's just a restaurant. It's just a fast food restaurant like McDonald's and KFC. And I was introduced to White Castle first time in a movie called Harold and Kumar. That's a good movie. Extremely funny and edgy and extremely sexual. White Castle's history, come on. He's wasting no time facing the future. Yep. I mean, if that's not the future, then I don't know what is. I mean, as a kid, we used to think this is what future looks like, you know? And like watching these things in action, it makes me happy and also sad at the same time. It's taking all of our jobs and stuff. It's a bittersweet experience. Now this is the latest 2024 news. Miso Robotics believe it will put its Flippy robot everywhere. Now they sound like Britishers. We're gonna rule every country. God damn it. Britishers were like, oh, is that a country? That's ours. And same Miso Robotics is like, oh, is that a fast food restaurant? That's mine. And the good news for them is that they have plenty of demand from restaurants. Yeah, but not so good for employees. But wait, it gets worse. The smaller robot, which the company calls Flippy Next Gen, will solve all the remaining problems that Flippy has. Small and strong, that's a bad news. Alright, that's for today. Of course, I'll make a follow-up update if there is the Flippy Next Gen update. Let me know what you think about this in the comments and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, stay awesome.